Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. iOS 15 or later, Apple ID with two-factor authentication, and access to an MDM or Apple Business/School Manager account. Once confirmed, open Settings and connect to Wi-Fi so enrollment can download profiles. Make sure you've backed up important data. This avoids loss if a profile forces resets. Now launch Safari or Files to download the MDM enrollment profile provided by your admin. This is the first actionable step to start device management on your iPhone. Once the profile is downloaded, tap Install and read the permission prompts. These explain device management, certificates, and any required VPN or network settings. You approve what allows remote configuration and security policies. That's how your admin enforces rules. If your organization uses supervision, follow steps in Apple Configurator or Automated Enrollment. Supervision enables stronger controls. Make sure the profile shows as installed in Settings, General VPN, and Device Management. And then proceed to configure any Wi-Fi. You finish by verifying all push settings, apps, and certificates. Test corporate email, Wi-Fi, and VPN to confirm policies are active. Once done, ensure device management lists your MDM and that required apps are installing. This proves enrollment succeeded. If something fails, restart the phone, check network access, and then contact your admin with logs. Do not remove the profile unless they instruct you. One key troubleshooting tip. If app deployment stalls, reboot and recheck MDM push status in the admin console before re-enrolling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.